Hey everybody, I wanted to tell you some things that's been going on. As you probably can't see, and I need to move this, you'll see my arm's in a sling. I was out walking around in the woods on my property looking at where I had a surveyor out marking one side of the property because one of my neighbor on that side doesn't seem to know where the property line is. And I tripped over a root or rock and fell on my left arm, right on the shoulder. It's not broken, but it could be a torn rotator or it could be just a really deep bruise. So anyway, my left arm is out of action for probably a few weeks until whatever happens to it gets healed. I won't know in detail until this coming week because I have an MRI scheduled for Monday. But in the meantime, since I can't do a lot, I'm going to show you some of the building process that I went through back, probably 2017 through 2019 on the various parts of Union Station. I'm going to take some of the old videos and cut them down and kind of rearrange them a bit so you can kind of get a feel for how I did it with a very small 3D printer. But anyway, let's get on to that now. Of course, the first thing I'm going to probably talk about is the Union Station building. Of course, the roof, I have to fix the roof. It kind of fell in. Only sections of that building are glued together. So we'll do the Union Station. We will do the passenger covers. The milk dock, which is back there under the Main Street Bridge. And there's the other side of the passenger cover. We'll also talk about the REA Express complex in the back. We'll talk about how I did, this is the Broadway Bridge. So I think that'll probably take at least three different videos spaced out maybe over a few days. But I'm not going to go into all the detail of all the other buildings over there, but mainly just the complex here by the Union Station itself. And all of this was printed using an XYZ printing DaVinci 1 printer, which is a small one, and it'll be shown in the videos. So anyway, that's where what we'll do. So I'm back. I'm holding this with my right hand. If this takes several more weeks, then maybe I'll pick another part to do, and I'm going to swing over and show that to you. What we'll do is we'll discuss the planning and building of the Santa Fe stock feedlot here in Morris, Kansas, which is actually where it was. Technically, it's supposed to be on the riverside. Of course, there's a submarine. But not having enough depth, I would have had to put the track over against the wall, and it would have hampered how I entered the Union Station yard itself. So it was put on the opposite side, part of modeling license. But it's 5.5 feet long, 6 inches deep. It's got 18 gates and 200 and some odd head of cattle in there glued down. I think 30 hogs and about 30 or 40 sheep down on the other end. But anyway, that's where we'll continue until the arm is fully healed, where I can get to doing good stuff. We'll see you next time. Bye.